Hi guys, today is Saturday, Feb 14, 2026. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day everyone! Today let's gonna show you some happy Valentine's Day from Feb 14, Saturday. And here we are, you can love by parents, eat chocolates, and you can give them. Valentine's Day makes hearts that you are good. And they give flowers, and they love each other, they can kiss. And Valentine's Day will give us our hearts, rules, and they're anywhere. And Valentine's Day can get flowers that you love by girls, teachers, families, friends, and also you give friends what you love. There we have it, Valentine's Day from Feb 14. Goodbye and see you at the next video. See you soon. Hi guys, today is May 10th of Sunday, so happy Mother's Day to everyone. And today's a great day today, and I like it. Yeah, let me show you about Happy Mother's Day on my slide presentation. Let's get going everyone. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. So Mother's Day can love and they can take care of you. They can hug, give some flowers, and also give a present. They can take care of them and they love you. And also, we're going to show you about love. Love is like a Valentine's Day since February 14, 2026. Nung past 3 months ago since Saturday, at February 14th, we visit at home with ates, kuyas, siblings, or also known as relatives, and the teachers as well. And they will give love or flowers or also chocolates. I hope I love it. We like it because it looks nice and wonderful. My mommy and daddy loves to be nice because Mother's Day and Father's Day are also known as May and June, and I like it. Cousins or mga pinsan sila, I like it. The dreams are come true. And happy Mother's Day to everyone. And Lola is the mother. Like and subscribe if you love me. And goodbye and see you at the next. Hi guys, today is Sunday, June 21, 2026. So happy Father's Day to all of you. I'm going to show you about the presentation of love. Happy Father's Day to everyone. So happy Father's Day is like our daddy or dad, grandfather, or call him lolo, tatay, or everything. They love us because they love you. They can take care of us from Father's Day so we can hold hands, hug their children, they can love each other going somewhere. And this is so nice. And they can love harder and they can hug. I love Father's Day because they're looking cute. Children loves families. Happy Father's Day to everyone. So this is so good. You are the best dad. And there's a grandfather's day. They can take care of them, take care of their children. They can love by the flowers, give the presents or gifts. They are wonderful and happy Father's Day to everyone. I hope you love this video. And there we have it. Happy Father's Day. Good day everyone. So happy Sunday. And like and subscribe if you love me, and see you at my next video. Don't make sure to forget to subscribe to the channels, make comments, and also post on the notifications. Thank you.